Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box, and today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to illustrate some icon related to globe. So here this is a stroke, this is the black only stroke, so I'm creating a circle. This is very easy. Okay, change the color of like this. Okay, this extra white. No stroke, and now this is this is the blue color, should be better. Okay, now so white. Okay, now click here with shape builder, click here, and now drag it. Okay, copy paste it font, no pill. Now see, this is the part. Okay, now with the help of this stroke I'm creating a random stroke like this, and this font okay. Now go here, change the stroke cap. Okay, now everything here, cut this thing, cut this one, cut this one. So like this. So we have get this kind of thing. So change the color of this is green one. Give a cut. Before doing anything, first of all, see, go here, object, path, outline stroke. So here now everything is, and this is the option I'm going to change. Okay, nice. some island or something. So let's take it aside. It's a globe icon. Now another type of globe icon we can make for the educational purpose. Okay, now let's start making with the help of circle. Okay, this one. And just like this. Okay, now see, the cross section is here. Okay, nice. Object, path, outline strokes. So now cut, this is here, cut, this is cut unwanted things, cut. Okay, so this is the globe. Take this 1, 2. Let's transform, reflect, like this. Cut this area. That's the globe. Now united everything. This now rotate like this, like this. Okay, now I'm creating a circle. Increase the size of circle like this. There's too thick, and put it over here. Okay, now with the help of scissors tool, click here and click here, and sequentially cut this. Okay, now this one, up like this. So we have got this kind of globe icon. So object, go to path, outline stroke, so everything is now object united. So here we have got this thing is unwanted, so fixing this one, creating like this. Okay, now okay, this globe is right here. Now creating another type of globes, this type of globes. This is, you can see in web page. So okay, now for making the globe, I'm going to here and show grid. So here you can see we are watching some grids. So go to file. Before doing this, I'm taking a new page, and this page is 100 by 100. So, and here view, show grids, and now this is the grids. Okay, no fill. Okay, this is only box. Okay, increase the stroke size, but just looking awkward. Now I'm using here the same circle like this, hitting Alt, put it over here. Okay, now a simple stroke from here to here, holding shift, and holding shift, actually holding shift. Now delete this extra, it's not looking very good. Okay, now this is the plus sign, and now the same stroke is for, this is here and this is here. Hold Alt, involved. Object, path, outline strokes. So we get this clean shape. Okay, this globe and united everything. Copy and paste it over here. So here, from here, view, hide grid. So after this, it's hiding grids. Put it over here. Sorry, this is. Put it over here. Now increase the size of this globe. Increase this size like this. Okay, this is the globe. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. And in this video tutorial we have learned this 3 kinds of globe, how you can make. And thank you very much for watching. If you think this video tutorial is very helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and make sure that's share and hit the bell icon. So thank you.